All right, today we're gonna bring an actual dog bone, and this actually smells like bacon. Listen, look at this. This is actually it's gonna help them actually brush your teeth. And right now, if you guys can hear that, my dog has a toy right now, so they're gonna be playing with this, and this is gonna be for Toby or Crypto. And if you guys can see it, they can smell it, and look at that. They know what it is. They know it's a good toy. This is going to entertain them for many hours. It's going to help them brush their teeth. It's heavy duty, all right, and it smells like bacon off the bat. So I'm going to give one to one guy and see how he enjoys it. Oh, that's it. They started to play with it. Now the other guy just stole it from him. So let's go take a look at it. All right, Crypto just dropped it. He's enjoying it. Let me see, Crypto. How do you like the bone? Crypto, come here. Come here. Look at Crypto. He likes the bone. He's not sharing it. Toby's getting no bone today. I should have got another one, but I didn't think they were gonna be fighting for one bone. And here's the other. Here's the bone actually. So it's free today. Who's gonna grab the bone? Who's gonna grab the bone? Oh, he's enjoying it.